Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today I want to show you how to create password, change password or remove password on your computer. This video show you about to every Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or Windows 10. Okay, here we go. Step 1, we go to control panel.
Start window, Cortana window,
Go to
search
start menu and search control panel.
Control panel, press right to switch preview 1 of 6.
Yes, this is control panel, press enter.
Control panel, search box edit, search control panel, blank.
Control panel is setting for Windows, maybe the same setting or on your smartphone. Okay, we tap to change account type.
Add system, review, save backup, network, view network, hardware, view device, add a device link, adjust commonly programs link on it, uninstall a program link, user accounts link, change account type link.
Yes, this is change account type. Just press enter.
List of users list, Del Vostro 5481.
This is your user. How many user do you have? But now I have one user. Okay, I cannot change. Press enter for this user.
Change the account name link.
We have to change account name, change password, create password, and change everything for this account. This is option for account. Tap to change, create password.
Create a password link.
Yes, this is create a password. Press enter.
New password edit protected, blank.
This is a tick box for create your password. You can create password by yourself. What you want, have a text or number and symbol. Yes, create new password. Create by yourself.
Start.
Yes. Finish for type new password. Press tab to each step.
Confirm new password edit protected,
Yes,
blank.
this is confirm new password. Confirm new password mean that type your password again. Yes, type your password again. Confirm for new password, not type everything. You can type confirm the new password. Type again. Okay.
Start.
And finish for type password. You tap to create password.
Type up create password button.
Press enter.
Change the account name link.
Yes, we successful for create password. You have to, but you have any problem. Maybe you write password wrong. Okay. Yes. Lock screen for review.
Secure desktop.
Windows sign-in dialog Del Vostro 5481. Password edit protected.
Yes, you can see my computer want to password. Okay, type password.
Star.
Change an account. Change the account name link. Change the
Yes,
account.
we successful for create password on your computer. But now, step 2, I want to show you how to change your password. Change password is change your old password to new password. Okay. Yes. Tap to change password.
Change the password link.
Press enter.
Current password edit protected, blank.
This is current password. Current password is old password. You can type your old password. What? Your old password. You can type this here.
Start.
Tab
New password edit protected.
This is new password. What you want to change your password? New password you can create by yourself. What you want? Yes. Type here.
Start. Confirm new password edit protected.
Yes,
Blank.
Type already for new password. Tap to confirm password. Confirm password. Say for you again is type again your new password. Okay.
Start.
Okay. Tap to change password.
Type of change password.
Okay.
Change the account name link.
Be successful again for the change the password and change everything what you want. You can change the password, old password to new password because the same time you don't want to my family know your password. You can change. Okay. Step 3. So I want to show you how to remove password from computer. Okay.
Change the password link.
You can
Change
steer this here and tap to change password again.
Change the password link.
Okay. Press enter.
Current password edit protected. Blank.
This is current password. You can type your password, your old password. Okay.
Start.
Yes. And the tab to change password. No, change everything. Change for one is the current password. Tab to change password.
Confirm new type of password. Confirm new password edit
No.
protected. Blank.
Change.
Confirm new password edit protected.
No,
Blank. Type of password hint edit. Blank.
No change. And tap to change password.
Change password button. Change the account name link.
Tap again.
Create a password link.
Yes. Successful for remove password on your computer, and you can remove by yourself. Okay, thank you everyone for your watching. Please like and share my video. Next video I want to show you how to change password on Google account. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share my video. Thank you for your watching. I do again. 1. How to create password on your computer. 2. How to change password on your computer. And 3. How to remove password on your computer. Thank you again for your watching.